precious gems, welcome back to my channel. Okay, guess what? I got a package. I got a package. Hey. Oh, I got this package from Lion Locs. It's a surprise box. I don't know what's in it, but I'm super excited to try this product. I have never ever gotten a product from them. So, shall we open it? Woo! Hey.
Scissors. Okay. Let's open this bad boy. Sugar smack. Houston, we ran into Papa. Oh, here we go.
Ha! Oh, I got two. Woo! Oh, look at this. Lion Locs rose water treatments. Ooh, it's organic. I love organic things. Plant, nature, future. Here we go. And locking moisturizer. Okay, lightweight, healthy for hair locking moisturizer that prevents locks from damaging and drying out. I do definitely in the hot season and in the cold seasons, I get a dry scalp. This is definitely what I needed. Woo! Some rosemary water and some moisturizer. Yes! Commence in the spraying. Woo! Now that is ravishing, radiant. That smells floral, rose, sweet, gorgeous, and a little bit of sass. I love it. And I immediately get I had a little itch right here, you know, dry season. Ooh. So good. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I feel refreshed already. And the locking gel, I want to open it just a little bit just to see what we're working with inside. Hello. And it does have a smell. It has a nice hidden smell. And it really matches very well with the rose water. I cannot wait to retwist my hair and try this Lion Locs locking moisturizer. Woo! These two are gonna balance everything out. There's always a balance, and these two connect. Stay tuned for part 2. Me trying Lion Locs hair products. If you guys want to check out Lion Locs, the link will be in the description. And remember, gems, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Chop, chop.